Hey, Santo, your time.
Radio CAYB.
Hey, Santo, your time.
Hello, and welcome to week 46 of Radio CAYB with me, Dylan.
And Dion here for the next hour, playing all your favourites from the 60's to today. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed last week's show, where we interviewed Eban. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And this week we've got all of our usual features this week, such as a mystery song. Yes, go on. And what is a mystery song?
5 different songs in each decade.
Yeah, we'll play 5 different songs from the 60's to the noughties. Got we going. Yeah. And we also got Ethan here. He's piled up ready for Garage this week.
And this time on Obscurities of America, it's about the main Central D class, the Hudsons you forgot about.
Okay, Ethan. And we got Lacey with charts as well, haven't we got?
Yeah.
We also got Max and Peter with news and sports news, haven't we? Done. Sorry for last week about sports news. That there was no sports news last week. No. And we also got Oshan as well with history. Haven't we gone?
Yeah.
We also got our interview for this week. Who's this week's guest going?
Naomi.
And what does Naomi do now?
He's a part worker.
Yeah, she's a support worker that takes a couple of students from here to the youth club. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
So we are doing a 60's special this week, aren't we going?
Yeah, they are.
So we're going to start off with a bit of Tom Jones today with It's Not Unusual. Hope you enjoy this one.
Yeah.
It's not unusual to be loved by anyone. It's not unusual to have fun with anyone. But when I see you hanging about with anyone, it's not unusual to see me cry. I wanna die. It's not unusual to go out at any time. But when I see you out and about, it's such a crime. If you should ever wanna be loved by anyone, it's not unusual, it happens every day. No matter what you say, you'll find it happens all the time. Love will never do what you wanna do. Why can't this crazy love be more? It's not unusual to be mad with anyone. It's not unusual to be sad with anyone. But if I ever find that you've changed at any time, it's not unusual to find that I'm in love with you. Oh, 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 oh.
That was not a video, but...
And that was by Tom Jones. Yes, go on.
Yeah, they are.
And now coming up next here on Radio CAYB, what do we have now?
3 songs.
And that is a feature where we play 5 different songs from 5 different decades. Yes, go on.
Yeah, they are.
But this week we got a little twist, haven't we, go on?
Yeah, they are.
And this week we'll be playing some 60's mystery songs. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
Since it's all the 60's show this week. This week we're just playing nothing but 60's hits. Yes, go on.
Yeah, they are.
Let's start with the mystery song.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery voice. Mystery voice.
Here's our first song for this week.
Song number 2 for this week.
And you can tell your friend there.
Song number 3 for this week.
Ways you from the start.
Song number 4 week.
You know I love you.
Song number 5 this week.
Okay, so we hope we got all the songs correctly. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And now what do we have coming up next here, Don?
Friend of the Star.
And that's by Big D Irwin. Yes, go on.
Yeah, dear.
I hope you enjoy this one.
Would you like to swing on a star? Carry moonbeams home in a jar, and be better off than you are? Or would you rather be a mule?
Yeah, tell me about a mule now.
A mule is an animal with 4 funny ears. He kicks up at anything he hears.
Just like you did.
His back is brawny and his brain is weak. He's just plain stupid with a stubborn streak. And by the way, if you hate to go to school,
Which I do.
you may grow up to be a mule.
I don't wanna grow up to be a mule.
Well, would you like to swing on a star?
Okay.
Carry moonbeams home in a jar,
1 moonbeam, 2
and
moonbeams.
be better off than you are? Or would you rather be a pig?
Yeah, tell me about a pig
A
now.
pig is an animal with dirt on his face.
Yeah.
His shoes are a terrible disgrace.
Look who's talking.
He's got no manners when he eats his food.
You gobble.
He's fat and lazy and extremely rude. But if you don't care a feather or a fig,
That's the truth.
you may grow up to be a pig.
Now if I can help it, baby.
Would you like to swing on a star? Carry moonbeams home in a jar, and be better off than you are? You could be swinging on a star. We could be swinging on a star. We could be swinging on a star.
This is the history. This is the history.
That song was Swimming on a Stay by Big D Irwin. I have no idea what that's done, so hope you enjoy that song. Next we got the history. This history is going to be all about Egypt, apparently, because I decided. Very random. Egypt pyramid. So hope you enjoy it. So apparently Egypt pyramid were built in primarily as tomb for the pharaoh during the Old and Middle Kingdom periods, evolving from earlier rectangular mastaba tomb. The first pyramid was the step pyramid of Djoser around 260-30 BC, and the first true pyramids with smooth sloping sides were built by Pharaoh Senefro, whatever is that, followed by Khufu Great Pyramid of Giza around 258 9 years ago. And then 256 BC, the Monument structure were thought to be magical powerhouse to ensure the Pharaoh Nephro, followed by Khufu Great Pyramid of Giza around 205 800 or something 9 256 BC. These monument structures were thought to be magical powerhouse to ensure the Pharaoh's external life and journey to the afterlife, if you believe that. Mastabas, the first royal tombs, were rectangular flat-topped structure called Mastaba. The Djoser step pyramid around 260-30 BC, acted in Hotaba. Scalpano designed the first pyramid by stacking 6 mastaba of something decreasing size on top of each other. Snephro. Google that if you don't know that, because I have no idea how to spell it. Pyramids. Pharaoh Snephro built the first true pyramid with smooth sides, including the bent pyramid at Dahosor, which marks as intermediate stage in the evolution of pyramid design. The Giza pyramids. Khafre, the Great Pyramid, was built for Khufu and at its original height of 14.6.5 meters. Then 481 foot. It was the tallest structure in the world for nearly 380 years. Well, not the tallest anymore, tell you. Khafre Chepron, the middle pyramid at Giza, was built for Khafre. The Menquad Muncarino, Google that. The south-endmost and smallest of the three was built for Khafre Menquaro construction and purpose. Purpose of pyramid served as tombs, protecting the pharaoh body and ascension needs for the afterlife, and acting as a magical engine to facilitate his transformation into a god. Construction they were built using millions of tons of stone, likely quarried using tools made of soft cut upper and sanded construction. Is believed to have been carried out by a large workforce, not slaves. Alienation. The precise alienation of a pyramid to the cardinal direction is thought to have been achieved by observation stars, apparently. So basically, it's the history of how construction evolved from early mastaba tombs to the iconic smooth-sided pyramids, with the first being by the step pyramid of Djor around 265 BC, and the most famous being the Great Pyramid of Khufu around 250 BC. So anyway, that's probably it. Yeah, it's in Egypt. Well, obviously, if it's called Egypt Pyramid, it's in America, Egypt Pyramid. If you want to go there, it's a very good place, because I got a game of Egypt game. It's quite good, actually. Yeah, so hope you enjoy this history for this week. And the next song is gonna be apparently by Dion. It is In Dreams by Roy Orbison. Hope you enjoy that song, and I'll see you next week. Goodbye. So hope you enjoy that song. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you next week.
A candy-colored clown they call the Sandman tiptoes to my room every night, just to sprinkle stardust and to whisper, go to sleep, everything is all right. I close my eyes, then I drift away into the magic night. I softly say a silent prayer, like dreamers do. Then I fall asleep to dream my dream. I can't help it if I try. I remember that you said goodbye. It's too bad all these things can only happen in my dreams.
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan.
What comes to mind when you think of the steam locomotives on the main central? Is it the C-Class 462s, the W-Class 280s, the H or L-Class 440s, the N or O-Class 460s, the S-Class 282s, or the M or P-Class 260s? But in Gudge's third installment of Obscurities of America, you have forgotten the very-so-forgotten Class D 464s. That's what we're talking about now. Two of these pocket Hudsons are built. They're numbered 701 and 702 respectively. They have Baker valve gear, and both are built by Baldwin. They are 79 inches long, presumably. They have an axle loading of 57,600 pounds. The engine weighs 312,590 pounds. The tender weighs 189,610 pounds. Combined weighs 502,200 pounds. They have a 240 psi boiler pressure, two 23-inch by 28-inch cylinders, an attractive effort of 41,392 pounds, 10,000 US gallons of water, and 13 tons of coal. They are the latest Hudsons ever made, and the nickname Pocket Hudsons. But traffic and economic conditions explains A, why the Pine Tree route chose Hudsons in the first place, and B, there's only two built. They're assigned to similar jobs and workings as the C-Class Pacifics, but 701 was withdrawn in 1950 as soon as diesels came along, but 702 worked at the Portland terminal to heat up the coaches until 1955, until sold for scrap metal, like 701 5 years ago, earlier. It's a shame, really, these Class 2 locomotives were forgotten. Lionel could have made a model of them. Next up is Lacey's music charts, but before that, I hope Lionel does that in the 2026 Volume 1 catalogue.
Ethan for the...
Okay, so thank you, Ethan, for Garage. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And unfortunately, Lacey's not here this week to do the charts. Go on.
No.
So me and Dawn are going to do the charts today for you. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
So this week we are doing week commencing 27th of November 1963. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And at number 10, Dawn, what do we have?
Let It Rock.
And Memphis, Tennessee by Chuck Berry. Yes, go on. And at number 9, we got I'll Keep You Satisfied by Billy J. Kramer and the Dakotas. And who have we got at number 8? Go on.
I Hope You Have None.
Nothing by Shirley Bassey. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And at number 7, we have Roy Orbison with Blue Bayou. And what do we have at number 6? Go on.
Deeper Love.
And that's by Kathy Kirby. Yes, go on. And now we are moving on to the top 5. Now, yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And at number 5, we got Don't Talk to Him by Cliff Richard. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
What have we got at number 4, Don?
Be My Baby.
And at number 3, and we've now got the top 3 now. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
Who's at number 3? Go on.
Sugar and Spice.
And that's by the Circus. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And at number 2 for this week, you got
He's Love With You by the Beatles.
By the Beatles. Yes, go on. And you'll never guess what we got on number 1 this week. No, Don.
No.
And we're not going to play it. No, Don.
No.
And unfortunately, at number 1 this week, we got You'll Never Walk Alone. And who is it by? Go on.
Gary and the Makers.
And that's by Jerry and the Pacemakers. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
Hopefully she gets better soon. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And we'll hope she'll be back next week for another chart show for you. Yes, go on.
Yeah, they are.
2 girls for every boy. I bought a 34 wagon and we call it a wedi'i. Surf City, here we come. You know it's not very cheery, it's an oldie but a goodie. Surf City, here we come. Well, it ain't got a backseat or rear window, but it still gets me where I wanna go. Surf City. Checking out the parties for a surfer girl. Yeah, I'm going to Surf City. I'm going to Surf City. You know we're going to Surf City. You know we're going to Surf City. 2 girls for every, 2 girls for every boy.
True love takes a lot of trying. Oh, I'm crying.
Let's hang on to what we've got. Don't let go, girl, we got a lot. Got a lot of love between us. Hang on, hang on, hang on
to what we got. You say you're gonna go and call it quits, gonna chuck it all and break our love to bits.
Breaking up.
I wish you never said
Breaking up.
no, no, we'll both regret it. That little chip of diamond on your hand ain't a fortune, baby, but you know it stands
For the love.
a love to try and bind
Such a
us.
love.
We just can't leave behind us, baby.
Don't you go.
Baby.
Oh, no, no. Stay here and stay. Let's hang
Hang On by the 14.
That's a good tune from the 60's, isn't it?
Yeah, they are.
And we hope you're enjoying your 60's special this week, yes, go on. And we now got our news around the school for this week. But unfortunately, Oshan's not here to do it this week, no, Don.
No,
because he's recovering from his he's a bit tired today, isn't he, gone? But he will be back next week for news around the school, won't he, gone? So, first of all, we got Canolfan Addysg, yes, go on.
Yeah, they are.
And they have been busy creating sensory chocolate with food colouring. What do you think of that, Don?
Good.
It's good, isn't it, Don?
Yeah.
And also this week we welcome a new member of staff here in CAYB, yes, go on.
Yeah, they are.
What's her name, Don?
Naomi.
And yeah, we welcome Naomi to Canolfan, yes, go on.
Yeah.
So that's where she's been for the past couple of weeks, yeah, go on.
Yeah.
And also we got a little treat for everyone in the cafe this week. Go on, what do we have?
Loaded fries.
Yeah, we got Christmas loaded fries in the cafe this week, yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And they are £5 if you want to get some, yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And also there's, what do we have every Wednesday between 3:15 and 4:15, go on?
Rugby.
Yes, we've got rugby sessions with Jason and Dawn. Oh. Yes, go on.
Yes, yeah.
And that is between 3:15 and 4:15 every Wednesday afternoon, yes, go on.
Yes, yeah.
And also, we also got some Christmas show tickets available. They're still available in the office if your parents want to get some. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And this is our last chance now, isn't it, Dawn?
Yeah.
And also there's youth club as well. There's one in the Chelsea Hughes Centre, isn't it, Dawn?
Yeah, yeah.
And there's also one in the Mencap Library as well. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
So, yes, that's all we got this week around the school. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
Now, what's our next song, go on?
Let It Rock.
And this one's by Chuck Berry. I've never heard of this one before, have you, Don?
No.
Because it's a 60's show, isn't it, Don?
Yeah.
And this is why we're playing different stuff this week. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
So let's have Let It Rock by Chuck Berry, and then we'll have the mystery song answers for this week.
In the heat of the day down in Mobile, Alabama, working on the railroad with a steel driving hammer. I gotta get some money, buy some brand new shoes, try to find somebody to take away these blues. She don't love me, hear 'em singing in the sun. A pity coming when my work is all done. Well, in the evening when the sun is sinking low, all day I've been waiting for the whistle to blow. Sitting in a teepee building right on the track, rolling them bones till the foreman come back. I pick up your belongings, boys, scatter about. We got a off-scheduled train coming 2 miles out. Everybody scrambling and jumping around, picking up the money, tearing the TV down. A foreman was a panic, about to go insane, trying to get the workers out the way of the train. Engineer blowing the whistle long and long, can't stop the train, you have to let it roll on.
That was Let It Rock.
Chuck Berry, yes, go.
Yeah, yeah.
And now we got our mystery song answers for this week. Now, where we go?
Yeah, yeah.
And our first song for this week was gone.
Hit and Miss by John Barry.
And our second song was He'll Have to Go by Jim Reeves. Yes, go on.
Yeah.
And what was our third song this week, mate?
Was It Heart by Elvis Presley.
And our fourth song for this week was Love Me Good by the Beatles. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And our fifth and final song was gone.
Surfing in the USA by the Beatles.
And our mystery songs for this week were 60's hits. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
And now coming up next here now on Radio CAYB, what do we have done?
Run Away by Shannon.
We hope you enjoy this one. Yes, go on.
Yeah, yeah.
I hope everyone enjoyed the leaderboard this week, and it is, well, Lacey's favourite movie. So basically, Lacey's favourite movie from, I don't know, it's probably from the 20s, probably. Anyway, so number 7, we got Canolfan Addysg Y Bont, which is they got 0 out of 15. Also, number 6, we got Canolfan 6, that also got 6 out of 15. Well done. Number 5, we got chreu'n, got 8 out of 15. Also, number 4, we got chreu'n, which is they got 9 out of 15. And also, I don't know, it's chreu'n, I think, yeah, it's chreu'n, got 9 out of 15. Also, so number 3, we got Nghanolfan, which is they got 10 out of 15. And also, sydd got 10 out of 15. Number 2nd for this week, it is Canolfan, we got 13 out of 15. And the winner for this week is Canolfan, and also they got 14 out of 15. And also Dyma got 14 out of 15. Well done for trying, and hope you enjoyed the quiz. That apparently Lacey's doing it, but yeah. So the next one is Nghanolfan Runaway. Hope you enjoy the next one, and we'll see you next week. Goodbye.
As I walk along, I wonder what went wrong with our love, a love that was so strong. And as I still walk on, I think of the things we've done together while our hearts were young. I'm a walking in the rain, tears are falling and I feel a pain, wishing you were here by me to end this misery. And I wonder, I wonder why she ran away. And I wonder where she will stay, my little runaway. Run, 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 run away. I'm a walking in the rain, tears are falling and I feel a pain, wishing you were here by me to end this misery. I wonder, I wonder why she ran away. And I wonder where she will stay, my little runaway. Run, 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 run away. Run, 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 run away.
Her hair is soft and her eyes are oh so blue. She's all the things a girl should be, but she's not you. She knows just how to make me laugh when I feel blue. She's everything a man could want, but she's not you. And when we're dancing, it almost feels the same. I gotta stop myself from whispering your name. She even kisses me like you used to do, and it's just breaking my heart, 'cause she's not you. And it's just breaking my heart, 'cause she's not you. And when we're dancing, it almost feels the same. I've gotta stop myself from whispering your name. She even kisses me like you used to do. And it's just breaking my heart, 'cause she's not you. And it's just breaking my heart, 'cause she's not you.
Hello, what do it's this one. So it's got the currently of course the first match. We have Wythnos, which is closing. Salmon, which is bottom. We have Munchkin, these guys. Others Newcastle. Spur, which is Fulham. Disco Covers, which is back in the eye. We have a little Liverpool. We have the disaster for Wall. Northwest, which is a Writing. Chelsea, this is at the Arsenal. That was have a desk stores. 3 years of Jersey. Also, the 3 years of breakfast. 2 years of breakfasts. So, we have the 7. Which is this woman. 2 on to the 7, 2 on to the 7, 2 years of 7. 5 years of Man City, 4 Man City, 5 ones the City. 1 year of Newcastle, 3 years of Newcastle, 2 1 to Exeter. We have the Spurs, 2 years to Spurs, 3 years to Spurs, 3 years to Spurs. We have it's back in the eye. Just 3 years, 3 2s to 6 quarters. We have 2 1s to 6 quarters. And we have 1 2 to come back in the eye. We have 2 1 3 1. And we have 1 2 to Liverpool. And we have 2 1 and the 3 1 is West Ham. We have the last look at the wall. 3 last year. 2 games at the Wolves. We have the 3 games after there. We have the Dark Forest. 3 games Dark Forest. 2 games to Randy. 1-1 that's all. We had an Arsenal. 1 game to the Chelsea. 2 games to Chelsea. Actually, we had a 2-1 to Chelsea. After the doors, got to Wolverhampton manager. After the sneakers, I guess with the £17 some the threat. And we had to snock the sack of Liverpool manager. After table, we had Arsenal on top, and also have a 29 point. I take the lead. We have Chelsea has got 23. Muncie has 22. Aspen has 21. And we have the Thistle has a 20. Oh, that's really correctly correct. We have Viking got 19 points. Southern got the 19 points. And we have Bolton got 19. And we have Spurs got 18. We have got 18 points. Now, English got 80 points. Liverpool got 80. Leicester got 60 points. Wow. Let's do the first. We have Newcastle 50 points. We have the Fulham's with this got the Fulham's got 14 points. And Galway got 12. We have got all the gang 11 points. And Leeds United got 11 points. And Guernsey got 10 points. And Wolves still to 2 points. What's the point? So that's it. The currently for Christmas. That's actually very Christmas.
Hey baby, won't you take a chance? Say that you'll let me have this dance. Oh, listen. Oh, listen. We'll do the twist and stop the mashed potato too. Any old dance that you wanna do. But listen. Oh, listen. Hey baby, yeah, you throw me slow. Hold me tight, don't you let me go. But listen. But listen. We'll do the twist and stop the mashed potato too. Any old dance that you wanna do. But listen. But listen. Okay, wait on up. Oh yeah. Hey baby, if you're all alone, maybe you'll let me walk you home. But listen, but listen, we'll do the twist and stop the mashed potato too. Any old dance that you wanna do. But listen, hey baby, things are swinging right. Yes, I know that this is the night. Listen, we'll do the twist and stop the mashed potato too. Any old dance that you wanna do. But listen,
You can get it if you really want. You can get it if you really want. You can get it if you really want. But you must try. Try and try. Try and try. You'll succeed at last. Yeah. Persecution you must bear. Win and lose, you've got to get your share. Got your mind set on a dream. You can get it, the hard it may seem now. You can get it if you really want. You can get it if you really want. You can get it if you really want. But you must try. Try and try. Try and try. You'll succeed at last. try, try and try, you'll succeed at last. You can get it if you really want. You can get it if you really want. You can get it if you really want. But you must try, try and try, try and try. You'll succeed at last. You can get it if you really want. I know it. Don't I show it?
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
Then to Radio CAYB.
Yes, thank you, Don. And now we got a guest here today, and today's interview, we're interviewing Naomi, who is from the Holyhead Youth Club. Hello, Naomi, how are you?
Hi guys, I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Good, thank you.
Good, thank you.
Okay, so our first question we got here for you today is, do you enjoy working here in CAYB?
I do enjoy working here in CAYB. I've only been here a couple of weeks, but I enjoy all the fun things that you all get to do. We get to go swimming and music, and I've been doing drama, learning how to be a pirate.
Was this your first drama lesson?
Second drama lesson.
Second?
Yeah, and I've been learning how to act like a parrot.
You got any hobbies?
Yeah, I recently, in the last couple of years, I've been going to lots of concerts.
Cool.
So I like spending money and going to a concert. So I've been to see Coldplay in Wembley, and I've been Radio 1 in Liverpool, and I've got lots more coming up in the year.
You were talking about them in the club, weren't you?
I was.
You'd rather to spend a night in a mansion or in 5-star hotel in New York?
Okay, first question. Is it a haunted mansion?
No.
No. And does the 5-star hotel have a swimming pool?
Oh.
Oh, I think we
Yeah.
have to think on that one.
Well, if it's 5 stars, surely. So I think, especially because the location as well, I'd love to go to New York. So I'd pick the 5-star hotel in New York, please.
Okay.
Who's paying?
I think if we go on. She's been with you the longest.
Okay.
What's your favourite takeaway and why?
My favourite takeaway is a Chinese. I like getting rice and sweet and sour and salt and pepper chips.
Oh, I had that on Sunday.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
What did you have from the Chinese then, Lacey?
I had prawn crackers, rice, and chow mein.
Oh, chow mein's good as well.
Oh.
Nice.
So our fifth question for you is, which class is your favourite?
I can't pick a favourite class. I've only been here a couple of weeks, and I've only been in 4 classes, so there's still lots to visit.
Can you name the classes for us, please?
I've been in Canolfan a lot. That's the main one that I've been in.
Ah.
Yeah, and I'm enjoying it in there.
Oh. There might be a chance for you to come to our class one day.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your favourite rock band?
I've got lots of favourites, but I quite like Foo Fighters. And on Friday, they're selling tickets for Foo Fighters in Liverpool, so I'm going to go try and get some.
Cool.
Yeah.
Do you have a pet, and if so, which one?
Yeah, I have 2 dogs, and one's called Riley and one's called Toby.
What do they do to have fun?
They like going to the beach. Toby likes chasing a ball, and Riley is getting old now, so he likes sleeping.
Which board games do you play and why?
In my other job, the clients like to ask me to play Snakes and Ladders and Ludo. Yeah. But not a board game, but a game I like playing, and I've played with Canolfan a lot, is Uno.
Yeah, same here.
Same here. Yeah. We can get Uno soon.
Uno No Mercy.
Yeah, we can go get that.
Yeah.
Which other jobs do you do?
I work in a day service for adults.
Ah. Okay, so we've got a bit of an odd question here for you now. Is somebody put here, how do you know Mr. Edwards from Cake Tree? We know that you don't know him.
I might have met Mr. Edwards once, but unfortunately I don't know who he is, I don't think. We'll have to... Maybe I'll get put in his class and I'll find out.
Yeah.
Song do you want to end with?
Sky Full of Stars by Coldplay.
Okay, so we're going to finish off the show this week with Sky Full of Stars by Coldplay. And we'd like to thank Naomi from the Chatty Who Centre in Holyhead for coming in today. Thank you, Naomi.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
You're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. 'Cause you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. 'Cause you light up the park. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. 'Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you. You're a sky full of stars. I wanna die in your arms. Cause you get lighter the more it gets dark. I'm gonna give you my heart. I don't care. In a sky full of stars, I think I see you. I think I see
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio CAYB, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
Radio CAYB, Radio CAYB.